Here's the summary of The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. If you like this kind of summary, like, comment, and follow for more. Let me ask you something. If money is just math, why do so many smart people make dumb financial decisions? Because it's not about knowledge, it's about behavior. Morgan Housel says, doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are, and a lot to do with how you behave. Here are the core lessons. Bowser 1. Wealth is what you don't see. Fancy cars, big houses, designer clothes, those are signs of spending, not wealth. Real wealth is invisible. It's money you didn't spend. Bowser 2. Saving is greater than investing genius. It's not about finding the next Tesla. It's about saving consistently and giving your money time to grow. Personal finance is more psychology than spreadsheets. Bowser 3. Freedom is the ultimate goal. Why save and invest? Not just for things, but for time. For the ability to say no. To choose your day, your projects, your life. Bowser 4. Compounding is magic if you're patient. Warren Buffett made most of his wealth after age 60. His real genius? Staying invested for decades. Time beats timing, always. Bowser 5. Everyone has a different money story. Some fear risk, others chase status. There's no one-size-fits-all, so stop comparing. Build a strategy that fits your life, not someone else's Instagram. Bowser 6. Reasonable is greater than rational. You don't have to be perfect with money. Just be consistent, calm, and reasonable. That wins over the long run. Target, final truth is, getting rich is one thing. Staying rich, that's behavior, discipline, humility, patience. So the next time you think money is about numbers, remember, it's really about emotions, decisions, and habits. Like, comment, and follow for more summaries that make you smarter and wealthier.